guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurt Dashing Adventures. And for today's video, i-reveal namin sa inyo ang aming travel itinerary and budget sa aming recent Sapa, Vietnam trip. We spent 4 days and 3 nights for this Vietnam travel. We fly via Cathay Pacific from Manila to Hong Kong and then Hong Kong to Hanoi on March 27. We paid a total of 33,360 for this flight for 2 persons na. And since full service airline ng Cathay Pacific, kumpleto na lahat ng needs mo sa flight, like the baggage allowance sa 23 kilos, 7 kilo na hand carry bags, tapos meron na ding in-flight meals, seats, at saka in-flight entertainment. We arrived in Noi Bai Airport in Hanoi at around 6:30 p.m. and dumiretso na kami sa train station sa Hanoi. We booked a Grab going to the train station and it cost us 260,000 dong or 584 pesos. Yung aming sleeper train from Hanoi to Lao Cai is already pre-booked through Klook and binook namin yung whole cabin na good for 4 kaya medyo pricey siya. The total cost of the sleeper train is 6,220 pesos. But I may say, mas convenient ito kasi para ka na ding merong hotel room while traveling to Sapa. Upon arriving naman sa Lao Cai Station, we also pre-booked a shuttle bus going to the Sapa City Center. We also booked this through Klook and it cost us 288 pesos. Direct transfer na siya sa aming hotel in Sapa. For our hotel naman in Sapa, we booked the Hotel de la Copule via Accor Plus app. And I got it for free for my Accor Plus Platinum membership. Pero if you are going to book this hotel, nagre-range yung price niya from 7,000 to 10,000 pesos per night. That is for 2 adults and meron na din siyang free breakfast for 2. This hotel is very convenient lalo na kung aakyat kayo sa Pansipan kasi this is already connected sa funicular station or yung Sapa station. Kaya naman right after we check in our hotel, dumiretso na kami sa pag-akyat ng Pansipan. Going up to Pansipan, you have to ride funicular, cable car, and another funicular. And we booked those rides through Klook and it cost us 3,864 pesos for 2 packs na. However, yung last funicular going to the summit is going up lang. Yung going down, hindi na namin siya binook kasi additional payment siya. We just decided to walk para ma-explore din namin yung ibang location. We spent about 5 to 6 hours exploring Pansipan. It's quite tiring exploring Pansipan. Kaya naman after our tour here, we decided to call it a day and just stayed in our hotel to enjoy the amenities. The next morning naman, we tried to explore the whole city center of Sapa and we rented a motorcycle to do that. We also pre-booked our motorcycle rental through Klook and it only cost us 325 pesos para sa whole day rental which is 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. Pero later na namin siya kinuha and maaga din namin siya binalik. We roam around Sapa City using the motorcycle and then we decided to visit the Moana Cafe. Meron siyang entrance fee na 90,000 dong or roughly 200 pesos pero you can already claim a free coffee or soft drinks using that entrance fee. Madami dito mga location that you can take Instagrammable photos. However, during our visit, masyadong foggy kaya hindi masyadong kita yung ibang view. We also went to the Alpine Coaster kaya lang hindi na kami sumakay kasi masyadong foggy at wala din kami makikita. And our next stop is the Viet Trekking Coffee or Viet Trekking Cafe. Since foggy talaga, hindi din masyadong makita yung funicular dito, pero ito yung my best view ng funicular kapag maganda yung weather. After that, we also tried exploring Sapa City by foot and nag-explore naman kami ng mga iba't ibang food. We decided to eat pasta and pizza in one of the restaurants here. Around 6 p.m., we decided to go back to the hotel kasi sobrang lamig na sa area. We also checked out in our hotel and just spent the time sa swimming pool area at sa restaurant while killing the time kasi 10 p.m. pa yung aming sleeper bus going back to Hanoi. Going to the bus station, we took a taxi and it cost us 60,000 dong or 132 pesos. Yung aming sleeper bus is also pre-booked through Klook and it only cost us 1,254 pesos for 2 packs na. And after 6 hours of travel time in the sleeper bus, we arrived in Hanoi. From the bus stop going to the Noi Bai Airport, we booked a Grab and it cost us 316,000 dong or 710 pesos. And finally, it's time to board our Cathay Pacific flight going to Hong Kong. So aside sa mga nasabi ko na nagastos, ito pa yung iba naming expenses. For the food cost, we spent a total of 1,620,000 dong or 3,600 pesos. We also spent 792 pesos para sa aming eSIM. Tapos we bought some souvenir items in Pansipan that cost us 450 pesos. And ang total cost ng aming Sapa Vietnam trip is 56,892 for 2 persons na. Kaya kung per pax, that's only 28,446. But you have to take note na nag-Cathay Pacific kami, kaya mas mahal yung flight namin. There are a lot of airlines na mas mura yung flight cost and direct na din silang bumabiyahe pa Hanoi. So if you can score a seat sale flight going to Hanoi, mas mapapababa pa ninyo ang cost ng inyong travel. So ayun muna guys for our Sapa Vietnam trip. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time!